Hello learners, a warm welcome to Unfold You, your favorite digital learning platform. This is Priyanka, your mathematics mentor. Let's unfold today's topic, which is circles. Circle, did I mean your friend circle or your family circle or the dark circles around someone's eyes? No. The circles I mean the round shapes that are related to geometry. We have learned a lot about geometry, but the most important part is left, which is circles. Since the invention of the wheel, the circles have been extremely important to all humanity. You see circles everywhere you turn. Let's study about circles in the language of mathematics in this module. Here we shall study the given subtopics, meaning of a circle, parts of a circle, and let's revise. In one of our previous video lessons, we have learned about polygons. The smallest polygon is a triangle. एक और ट्रायंगल जुड़ के बनता है क्वाड्रिलैटरल. क्वाड्रिलैटरल में एक और ट्रायंगल जुड़ के बनता है पेंटागन. Adding one more triangle to a pentagon, we get a hexagon. So adding more and more of the triangles, instead adding infinite triangles, we get a circle. Does that mean that circle itself is a polygon? No. चाहे ये इनफाइनाइट ट्रायंगल्स को ऐड करके बना है एंड ये एक क्लोज्ड फिगर भी है, बट इट इज नॉट अ पॉलीगन क्योंकि ये स्ट्रेट लाइन सेगमेंट से नहीं बना. One day, Akash and Charu were sitting together and studying about geometrical shapes. Charu said, Akash, can you draw a perfect circle for me? Akash said, yes Charu, circle is just a round shape and I can draw this easily by hand. See, this is the circle. Charu said, oh Akash, no, this is not a perfect circle. Let me draw it for you. Charu just takes a point first and then from that point with a fixed distance, she traces the path of all the points. Charu said, look Akash, here is the perfect circle. Okay, so the path of all the points traced from this fixed point at a fixed distance is the circle. The point that is fixed is called the center of the circle. This fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. इस fixed distance को if I flip, that is rotate 180 degrees in other direction, I get 2 radii. Radius plus radius के लिए we have another name, which is the diameter. Okay, now if I move this downward, you see that it gets shortened. Here it has another name, this is chord. So defining chord, we can say that it is a line joining any 2 points on the circle. क्या अब आप ये कह सकते हैं कि diameter भी एक chord है? Yes, obviously it connects 2 points of the circle. It is in fact the longest chord. Also, if you cut the circle along the diameter, you see that it divides the circle into 2 equal halves, which are called the semicircles. Now, we have studied that हर closed curve का interior और exterior region होता है, तो इस case में भी होगा क्योंकि circle एक closed curve है. So anything that's lying outside the circle is the exterior and anything that's lying inside is its interior. जैसे कि suppose this is a circular ground and there are 3 friends, Punnu, Aki and Vinay. Vinay is standing outside the circle, Aki is standing inside the circle and Punnu is standing on the boundary of the circle. Now, circle की इस complete boundary को हम circumference बोलते हैं. इस circumference का कोई भी part लें, चाहे छोटा चाहे बड़ा, that is called an arc. ये arc अगर ऐसी है that it touches those points of the circle जहाँ से we can draw a diameter, then it is called a semicircular arc. Semicircular arcs are quite famous from the architectural point of view. जैसे कि हमारी डे टू डे लाइफ में semicircular arcs जैसे बहुत से architectures हम देखते हैं, like the bridges, caves, tunnels and most of the historical monuments of our country are of these shapes. Now, if I take any arc and along with that 2 radii of the circle, this interior region that we get is called the sector. This is the minor sector क्योंकि ये छोटा region है and बाकी जो बचता है that is the major sector क्योंकि ये बड़ा region है. Now, circle का वो region जो एक arc और chord में enclosed होता है that is called the segment. This is the minor segment and circle का जो बाकी हिस्सा है that is the major segment. Now, this chord, if we extend this chord to the exterior region of the circle, this line has now got another name which is called the secant. If I get this secant close to the boundary of the circle such that it touches just one point of the circle, तब इसका name हो जाता है tangent. So, this was all about the terminology related to circles. Let's now revise few questions. The first question is, what is the chord that passes through the center of the circle called? The chord that passes through the center of the circle is called the diameter, which is the longest chord. The next question is, what is the length of the boundary of a circle called? The length of the boundary of a circle is called its circumference. The last question is, how many diameters can a circle have? Correct, a circle can have infinite number of diameters. So here we come to the end of this module. In the next tutorials, we will explore further on a new topic. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you.